take a little time to understand. I don't need your money and I do not need a man, and I don't need nobody try to tell me how to dress. What the hell is this? No, I won't kiss you on the lips. Well, you don't even know me like you think you really do, and I don't have the time to play a stupid game with you. Used to call me rude, but now I'm back up on my feet, stronger than I ever thought that I could ever be. That's not the way it's gonna be. I don't wanna see you around me, calling out my name inside your sleep, each and every day and every night.